everyone. It's so good to be with you today. It's Thursday. April 13, 14, 15, April 16th. And it was so fun to chat with you yesterday on Zoom on the computer. We'd love to see your smiling faces and hear about everything you've been up to. So let's sing our good morning song and get ready. Welcome to school today. Welcome to school today. Welcome to school today. We are here to work. Haha, tricked you again. Learn and play. So I've got my magnifying glass. I know Mrs. Greco showed you the other day. But you know what the fun thing about a magnifying glass is? It makes things that are super far away seem really close. So even though you're super far away at home, when I put my magnifying glass up, it makes you seem much closer to me. So I'm going to say, good morning to Ryan and Declan. Good morning to Stefan and Abigail. Good morning, Jackson and Rory. Good morning to Emily, Auden, Addison. Good morning, Cristiano and Jameson. And good morning to Emma and Glenn, Abby, Tristan, and Jake. I'm so glad you've come this morning to join us. So let me tell you about some of the fun things we've got to do today. Oh, I almost forgot. I always do forget. The weather. Well, today when I'm taping this for you, it is a sunny day. A little bit cold, but it's sunny. And I hope it is a sunny day today for you. So take a quick look out the window. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? I know it's not snowing again. Let's hope for a nice, warm, sunny day where we can all get outside and play. And by the way, thanks for the great videos of you guys playing outside. We do love them. All right, let me show you something really fun to do today. I was thinking, what is something that we could do to make a fun race? So I went into my refrigerator and I got some mustard and I got some ketchup. And I thought, if we put a little dot of each one on this tray and tip it up, which one do you think will get to the bottom faster? Do you think it's the ketchup or do you think it's the mustard? You take a minute and think about it. I'm going to shake them up, okay? And I'm going to put a dab of each. This ketchup and mustard, we would say is at room temperature because we left them out on the table for a little while. You can take yours right out of the refrigerator or you can warm it up a little bit. Do you think it'll go faster if it's warmer or slower? I don't know. You could do it both ways. Room temperature and straight out of the refrigerator and see. Ready? Got my spot of mustard. I've got my spot of ketchup. I'm going to tip the tray up. Here we go. Oh my gosh, who's going faster? It's not my favorite. I'm a mustard fan. Look at ketchup. Ketchup is super fast. This is the snail. Yeah, this is the hare. Look how much faster he's gone. You can try this at home. You can also try it with some other things. Maybe some oil and some dish soap. Or maybe a little bit of syrup and something. Try it and let us know how it works out for you. I'm going to set that down right there. All right, I have something else we can try today, boys and girls. Mrs. Greco and I have been talking with you a lot about letters. We made this huge stack of letters because it's all the letters of the alphabet. The A and B. Look. Capital B and lowercase b. What? Mrs. Hassen's having a little trouble with her fingers today. There's the capital C and the lowercase c. I seem to have misplaced my lowercase a, but it's probably in my stack somewhere. And then all the letters, the D and the lowercase. So this is what you can do, boys and girls. You can match uppercase and lowercase. Or you could spell out your name. You could find the first letter of your name, like D for Declan, and then he's going to come in his stack. And look, here's the lowercase e, or the D and the E. And what's next in Declan? It's the C, and so on. And This is what I had to do in my stack, boys and girls, and you may have to too. I made an extra M because Emma has 2 M's in her name. We need an extra D because Addison has 2 D's in her name. And Abigail has 2 I's. So if you have extra letters in your name, or look, what's the R for? That's right, Rory, because it's R-O-R-Y, 2 R's. So if you need extra letters, boys and girls, cut them out. You could write your name, you could do your brothers and sisters' names, you could have a whole plethora of names. That means a lot. Or you could just play the matching game. Match upper and lowercase letters and keep practicing those letters every day, even when we're not in school. All right, now I got something I'm going to trick you today. Because I know we love estimations, but I was thinking, instead of guessing how many markers I have in my cup, I'm going to try it this way. I'm going to take them out of the cup. Now, which hand do you think is holding more markers? We're going to try and make a good guess this way. Do you think it's this hand has more markers or this hand has more markers? Can you tell? Okay, take a sec. You have your answer? All right, let's count. In my right hand, I have, I'll use my cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 markers. Remember the number 6. In my left hand, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 markers. Did you say the left hand had more markers? Thumbs up if you did. Okay, let's try it again. I'm going to mix them all up so I even can trick myself. Okay, I'm going to make it a little trickier. What do you think this time? Is it my right hand or my left hand? I don't know. Got a lot of browns and yellows in this hand. A lot of purples in this hand. Do you think that makes a difference in how many? No. Okay, let's count. Oops. Okay, let's do right hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you say right hand? That was a tricky one because they were very close. Now I'm going to make it even harder for you. Plastic spoons. It's a little bit harder to see if there's more or less in my hand because they get all clumpy up together. Okay, I'll make it easy the first time. Wait, mix them up. Right hand, left hand. Which has more? You think? Let's see. Let's count right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which was more, 12 or 7? You're right, 12. Okay, one more time. I'm going to really try and trick you this time. Because you guys are so smart. It's hard to tell, isn't it? They look so close. I'm not even sure which one has more. So I think we better count and see. Let's try right hand. 1, 2, 3 on the floor. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was super close. Right hand's a winner because it had 10 as opposed to 9. And 10 is more than 9. We know that, right, boys and girls? So you can do all kinds of fun estimations like that. They don't always have to be in a jar or a cup. They can be just in your hand. All right? So I'm going to turn it over to Mrs. Greco, and she's got a fun game that you can make at home to play with your brothers and sisters and moms and dads.
Okay, so how fun to go around your house and find some objects. We can put it on a white piece of paper or any kind of paper. You need a marker, and we're going to trace the objects around and do a tracing game. So I found some objects that you could find in your house. I found a book. Let's see, and make sure you do it and then we can fit them all on here. Found a book. I'm going to trace that. Around the corners, around. And I found a water top bottle. So you could trace that. Okay. Then we got lots of these in the house. What are these? Toilet paper rolls. So we could put that. And sometimes they're a little tricky, but you just want to go around it so you kind of get the same object. And then a straw. Ooh, I think this could fit here. It's long and skinny. Gotta hold it tight. Ooh, made it a little curvy. Ooh, fell off. If it's a little slippery, I guess you could put a little piece of tape to keep it. Then I found a marker. Let's put the marker here. And we have a cell phone. You can go anywhere you want and find. The more you put on, the funner the game. But we'll leave that there. And a spoon. I'll put it this way. Round and down. Okay, so now you have all your objects that you did. Okay, now take them off, lay them on the table or the counter or the floor, and have maybe mom or dad or your brother come around and say, who can help do it? So let's see. I have the marker. Ooh, do you remember where it went? Does it fit there? No. How about here? Too wide. How about here? Perfect. Ooh, how about this long, skinny? I can tell that one really easy. Look at that. Now, how about the water bottle top? Ooh, it's round here, but what's that? Something else. It goes there. Where do you think this goes? Ooh, that could fit. Ooh, can't fit there. It's too skinny. How about here? There's the toilet paper roll. Oh, doesn't want to sit there. Oh, this fits perfect. No, it's too wide here again. Oh, I think it goes there. And here's a big, what shape is that? We just talked about it earlier. 4 sides are equal. It's a square. It goes there. And the last one we did, it has to go there, a spoon. How fun. Go around your house and collect all kinds of fun things and put them on a piece of paper. You could have so much fun doing this with your family. Okay, guys, enjoy.
Hi, boys and girls. Remember these? Our fabulous cups and our wood pieces. Well, when we were talking on Zoom the other day, a lot of you were talking about how much building you are doing with your Legos, and that got me to thinking, what else could you build with at home besides Legos? You may not have any of these small cups, but maybe you have some bigger cups, and you can use those to build. And if you have any pieces, they don't even have to be small. They could be rulers or any kind of wood pieces or strong cardboard or paper. And then you could do some more building, just like we used to do in our room. So if you have the big cups or the small cups, they're great. Paper works. These are plastic. You can use the plastic cups, whatever you got. But it's a fun way to build with something different besides Legos. And I know that you guys have made some really creative things just by using cups. And I remember when we used to go like this. And then we would stack them up like that. and put another one. And you could make a tall cup tower. You could make it long. You could make a bridge. Whatever you like, boys and girls. But try different things for building besides just the Legos. All right? Are you ready for our story? But you know, before we've got to warm up our fingers and our toes. So let's wiggle our fingers. Wiggle our toes. Wiggle your cheeks. Wiggle your nose. Wiggle your ears. Wiggle your elbows. Wiggle your whole arm. Wiggle your knees. And now freeze, because you're wiggle free. And I'm going to read this book to you called 10 Pigs, an Epic Bath Adventure. The author of this book is Derek Anderson. Do you remember what an author does in a book? You're right, writes the words. Derek Anderson is also the illustrator, which means he did what? Yep, he drew the pictures too. He's an author and illustrator, just like you when you write your books. You are the author and illustrator also. Let's find out what happened to the pigs in the bathtub. This is one very happy pig. He's got his rubber ducky and lots of bubbles. Relaxing in the tub. This bathtub is perfect for just me and you, he said to his ducky. But along comes pig number 2. Uh-oh, what is pig number 2 holding? Yeah, a giant beach ball. Look at the page. Two, this tub is too small for a duck, 2 pigs, and a bouncy ball. It's like doing a cannonball. Splash! Make way for me, squeals number 3. This is a bath, not the deep blue sea. See what he's wearing? He's got his goggles and his snorkel on there. He thinks he's going into the sea. This tub is too full. That's it. No more. Oh, no. Here comes pig number 4. Look what she's got on. She's got on a purple floaty. Oh, over. Arg, says 5, and 6 gives a toot. 7 launches his boat with a sailor's salute. Oh, are they all going to fit in that bathtub? I don't know. Let's see. Pig 8 has a castle. Number 9 barely fits. Now there's nowhere left to sit. Oh no, is there any room? Look at there's a guy, he's got a fishing pole. Is there going to be room for him? And 10, number 10 wiggles and squeezes and surfs his way in. Oh, do they look like they're having fun? I think some of them do. I'm not sure about others, though. Let's see. 10 pigs! 10! Look at that tub. Whoa. Who's leaving? Do you think that was pig number 1? Wait! What is that? They're pointing at something. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, run, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, where's 1? No pigs, none. Just a lonely ducky. Uh-oh, 1 wolf. What's he looking for? 1 very happy pig. That's so silly. He was pretending to be a wolf. Why do you think he was doing that? So he could have the tub all to himself. Look at all those fun duckies. That's the fun story of 10 pigs. All right, I'm going to show you something really fun because spring makes me think of bunnies. And I thought of something the other day that we haven't done in such a long time. So you got your fingers ready? All right, we'll do it a couple times so we get it right. Ready? I'm going to start up here at the top. It goes, in a cabin in the woods, a little man by the window stood, saw a rabbit hopping by, knocking at my door. help me, the rabbit cried. I just need a place to hide. Come, little rabbit, come inside. I'll take care of you. Should we try it again? I love that. All right, ready? Get your fingers up. In a cabin in the woods, a little man by the window stood. Saw a rabbit hopping by, knocking at his door. Help me, the rabbit cried. I just need a place to hide. Come, little rabbit, come inside. I'll take care of you. Take care of each other, boys and girls. Be kind to each other and your brothers and sisters, and give mom and dad big hugs. And here's a big hug from me to you, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.